We're off. We're going. You alright, mate?
How you doing, mate? You alright?
What time do you call this? Perfect timing, isn't it?
I know, yeah.
Spot on.
Time for a holiday, John, I reckon.
Right, we made it. We're at the airport Stansted. I was going to get some clips of the driver, Luke who brought us up here. Oh, I've got my sunglasses on indoors. I'll have a check out the whiskies, I think, while I'm here. Glenmorangie, Space, Highlands, Lowlands, Rare and Vintage. Made it to our 4-hour flight to Turkey. Here we are. Looking bag that. We made it, we're here, we're in Turkey, JIVA Beach, or JIVA Beach Hotel. Just got into the room, it's midnight here I think. 4 hours difference, 2 hours difference, so let's spin the camera. This is gorgeous, this place. We paid a little extra for a swim up pool and we're so glad we did. So ignore our bags, we literally just got here. So there's a big, large double bed there, and there's a single there which is handy. And then we go out the patio door to our swim up pool. So this is the pool area here, this is outside the patio door. Sun lounger. Chair, table for drinking coffee in the morning. And then this is your own little pool you can swim up to. And I think it's your own little diving boards here. It's a bit dark. Apparently you can go in these pools 24 hours a day. The other pools are closed, but these things you can just go in when you want. Well, it's a bit chilly tonight. Well, it's not chilly, it's 1920. But, and the guy told us, the young lad that helped us out, that there's a bar just there, behind that umbrella. I think he said there's a beach bar there, and then the beach is just there. So, awesome. This is the place we wanted to get. This is better than I expected. It's fantastic. I'm really pleased with it. So I'll do some more videos during the week and show you around when it's a bit lighter. Meanwhile, we're going to go to the one bar that's open, which is open 24/7. So we're going to pop over to the 24/7 hour bar and have a couple of free drinks, all inclusive. So see you in a bit. Bye bye. Morning, people. So further to my video from last night, let's check out a few more bits and pieces. I'll take you out the back there and draw the curtains back, and we'll have a look at the pool in the daylight. I think it's about 8:30, 9 this morning. So just a quick update. Here's the shower and toilet. It comes with hairdryer, hand basin, soap dispenser there, which is nice. Nice quality fittings. Lovely shower. Quite a nice large walk-in shower's wet room type thing. Lovely big area here, which is smart actually. And we follow out here. Let's go and have a little. The room's a bit messy now, obviously we're here, but I didn't show you this yesterday, but we have tea, coffee making facilities there. You don't get the PG tips and digestives, by the way. Little mini fridge here, full of goodies, a couple of beers and some cold drinks. Always handy. I'm not sure if they're free or not, to be honest. Find out what we're drinking. And I think it showed you last night, TV, mirror. Right, obviously we're here now, so there's a spare bed has become a dumping ground for the wardrobe. So let's have a little look out this door. And I think it's 8:30, 9, so, oh dear, it's awful. So you open this patio door. This is nice, look. There's a restaurant over there, 24-hour bar there. Bar there, I think. Bar there's open at 6 at 9, the bar there, the beach bar's open at 10. Yeah, looking really good. Really pleased with it so far. So that's a tour of the room. I'm going to do a few different little videos. Not to do one long video, little clips. That's a tour of the room. The poolside swim up pool wasn't actually much extra. I think it was not even £100 extra for the swim up pool. Well worth it. I just spoke to a couple next door, and they've been here since Monday. They're going back Monday, so they've been here a week already, and they said it's fantastic. They said the same as me for the extra money. And the sun comes up. The sun comes up sort of up here. So yeah, thank you for watching that. I'm keep an eye out for I put some links above for some different videos. I want to do some clips of the room, bars, restaurants, etc. So after breakfast, catch you again in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.